Lovely, super. Right, guys, let's crack on with the answers for maths. Hopefully, we found it easy enough. I don't think it was too difficult. Most of it should have been straightforward. So let's just whiz through it. I have my little book here. So let's go. Question 2A. A carton of milk have a capacity of 1 milliliter or 1 liter. 1 liter is the answer. Does a teaspoon have a capacity of 5 milliliters or 5 liters? 5 milliliters. 2C, does a car's petrol tank have a capacity of 40 milliliters or 40 liters? 40 liters is a petrol tank. Does a fish tank have a capacity of 10 milliliters or 10 liters? 10 liters. Think of the space of fish and how much they need to swim around. They need a lot. And does an egg cup hold 25 milliliters or 25 liters? The egg cup would go 25 milliliters. Although I'd imagine it would probably be closer to 100 in real life. But yeah, 25 litres is far too big for an egg cup holder. So number 3, we use a graduated jug to measure the exact capacity of containers. How much liquid is in a graduated jug? Posh term, graduated jug, it just simply means that it's being measured vertically and every step is equal. Okay. So let's have a look. Number 3, first one, top left, answer is 200 mils. So 200 mils. Top right one sits halfway between 500 and 600. So the top right, the answer is 550 mils. Bottom left, I will accept 1 liter or 1000 milliliters. Either or, perfectly fine. And bottom right is 100 mils. 100 mils. Okay. Number 4, it says how many milliliters? If there is 1/4 of a liter of milk left in a carton, how many milliliters of milk are left? If there's 1/4 of it left, there's 250 milliliters. 250 milliliters for question 4, part A. If there's 250 left of a carton of milk, 3/4 have been drunk. So how much was drunk? 750 milliliters. Do be careful in some questions along them lines. Sometimes they will say how much has been drunk, how much is left, and will try and throw you off. So always read the question. Number B, if I poured half a liter of juice into a jug, how many milliliters of juice are in the jug? I poured half a liter of juice into a jug. There are now 500 milliliters in the jug. C, a bottle has a capacity of 3/4 of a liter. How many milliliters does it hold? 750 milliliters. Now moving on then, question 5. It says, can you write these as liters and milliliters? Essentially, they're either, you just put them in the either or. So 1,120 milliliters equals 1.129 liters. 6,042 milliliters equals 6.042 liters. Remember, you do need that 0 because it makes the 4 and 2 their proper size. Okay, so 6.042. Moving on to question 5C. 2,105 milliliters equals 2.105 liters. Question 5D, 1,009 milliliters equals 1.009 liters. Question 5E, 5,228 milliliters, that one equals 5.22. F says 3,785 milliliters, that's going to equal 3.785 liters. G, 7,960 milliliters, that will equal 7.96 liters. And I can drop that last O at the end because it doesn't change the size. So I can change that. So 7.96 liters. 5H, 2 more to go. 1.5 liters, convert that to milliliters. So the 1 liter tells you you're going to have at least 1,000 milliliters, and the 0.5 tells you you've got half. So that's 1,500 milliliters. So 1,500 milliliters. And then question 5, part I, it says 9.6 liters. That's going to equal 9,600 milliliters. Done. And just having a look, you got Jay Cleofay, you're saying you have to convert to liters and milliliters. Well, if question 5A is in milliliters, you can't convert it to milliliters. It's already been given to you. So 1,129 milliliters equals 1.129 liters. You can't, there's nothing else. You can't convert it to milliliters again. You just end up with the same number they've given to you as an answer. So what I've just called out is correct. If you've done anything else, you've done double the work. All you needed to do was write down what it was. If it was given to you in milliliters, convert it to liters. If it was given to you in the last two as liters, convert it to milliliters. That's all you needed to do. Or, yeah, again, if that's how you want it to lay out, as in breaking it all down into liters and milliliters, that's fine. If you do it that way, absolutely fine. Okay? Absolutely fine. Okay? It's no bother. Yeah, all that, absolutely fine. So much for muchness. Okay? If you can convert it from one to the other, then presenting it in that form still is the exact same. Okay? With the decimals, you can put in liters. All right, so that's fine. Thank you, guys. And that was math for today. So I said nice and easy. I would suggest is going around the house and trying to find some containers and just having a look at how they're measured. It'd be the best thing to do. For English, guys, I've had a look at the worksheet again just to remind myself. It's more on synonyms and antonyms, so I don't think there's much need to come back on for a live English for that. I think if we had a live session on it last day, it's much the same. I think it's an easy enough sheet for you to fly through. Alrighty. So really well done, guys, today. So keep it up. We will see you tomorrow, and I will be on Google Classroom if you need me. Alrighty. Well done.